I wanna be free, I wanna just live inside my Cadillac, that is my shit. And now throw it up, that's what it is. M-I-C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch. Can't see me through my tents.
Oh man, fall has arrived, my jiggers. It's cold, windy. No, my nips is hot. My nips is becoming really hot from the cold. Hey. Where the fuck am I going? I'm going the wrong way, damn it. It's cold as Elsa's booty hole, man. Tell that bitch to turn off the winter weather. It looks sunny, but it's not sunny. Oh, truck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. No? Yeah! Oh, just look how sexy this bike is, man. You just can't. Nobody comes close. What's a Boomba? Oh, athletic apparel. Oh my god! Oh, look at that sexiness. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, fuck yeah! Ah, a seagull! Oh shit! I wonder if they sell wider ram mounts. I don't know. We shall see. Enjoy the Seagulls? Seagulls! Yeah! Yeah! What a whore, man! Fuck you, Audi! Little douche. This guy. People like that are what cause traffic jams over here. There's usually never an issue with the lights or an accident. It's usually dumbasses on their phone, don't know what the fuck they're doing, and they're like, oh no, checking on Facebook and Snapchatting my friends because I'm cool. And people that drive extremely fucking slow. Speed limit's 35? Oh, why should I have to go 35? I'm not in a rush. I should go 25 because, you know, that's awesome. Here's another thing that pisses me off. There are two cars that drive exactly next to each other. It's like, fuck, you guys know. You know! If you're in the left lane, you should not be driving next to somebody in the right lane. What fuck kind of driving school do these dumbasses graduate from, huh? I don't get it. Fill out the application and you got a license?